So we are now outside the classic studio. When you move in with us, you're going to receive a key and fob that looks exactly like this. And all you just got to do is just pop it through the lock and I'll take you right in. So I'll start with the bed. It's your standard double bed over here. Underneath you have extra storage space so you can pop your suitcases or anything else that you need to. Over here we have the study desk area, so it's great for studying. You've got extra space up here and in the drawers beneath for your books, and you've got your wardrobe over here. So now we are in the kitchen. We have our 2-ring hob. We have a microwave combination oven. You've got extra storage space up there. Just below here you've got your bin storage. You've got a mini fridge freezer just on this side, and just on this side you have your breakfast bar area. And last but not least, you have your own private ensuite bathroom.